In today's pet advice, we all know walking's good exercise, good for us, but it's also good for our pets. Dr. Tiffany Mainini is here with Riley. And, you know, especially during the winter, it can be sometimes hard to get the motivation to get out there and walk. So help motivate us this morning.
It certainly can be hard when those temperatures are dropping and it's so dark out, but it's really important for our benefit, but also for our pets' benefit to make sure that we're getting out there, that we're continuing to walk our pets year-round. So as far as benefits, we talk about benefits for people, they're the same for our pets. There's that great exercise, that physical activity that helps to prevent obesity issues in our pet. Also, big thing is we've got pets that start to age. Continuing to stay active as they get older helps to maintain muscle mass, helps to keep those creaky joints moving, and also there's so much mental stimulation that comes from walking. Our pets experience the world through their nose, so can you imagine going outside and smelling all of these things? So even if we're not going on these big, long duty marches, we can at least have our pets experience great mental stimulation by going outside and smelling the flowers, or in this case in January, the snow.
That's right. Well, I think sometimes we think, well, if I put my dog in the backyard and let him run around a little bit, that's enough exercise.
There's a lot of boredom that comes with that. That's the same atmosphere that they are, take, and they're little couch potatoes in their own way too, that if they aren't having the opportunity to exercise and having some of that stimulation from us of driving to go out and, take that initiative for exercise, our pets may not be getting as much exercise as we really want them to as well.
Well, how much exercise should they be getting?
Well, definitely want to make sure we're doing several days a week, ideally going out twice a day, 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at night, but everything has to be based on the individual. If we've got a couch potato pet, we want to start slow, increase that activity, and we also need to let our pets help dictate how they're doing, that if we're starting to get a little bit too long on those walks, listen to them and cut those a little shorter.
Okay, what are some safety concerns that we should have?
Well, it's getting darker earlier, and so want to make sure that you're using leashes and collars that have reflective. You can also use these vests that have lights that shine on them, that have reflective piping to help make sure we're staying safe. There's even booties that you can place on your pets if we've got inclement weather and salt that we need to worry about for their feet. So lots of things that we can do to make sure that they stay comfortable. There's vests, clothing, all sorts of things. So depending on your pet's needs, we can make sure they stay safe and comfortable.
Well, and I think we need to be wearing outfits like this as well.
Right, exactly. Reflective clothes for everyone.
Very important. Okay, well, thank you for being here and for bringing Riley with you this morning.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.